how to buy WART Warthog network token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in a project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this network, this token, make sure to take a look on the X account. Now after that, go and open it in a CoinGisco. Now this token is, as you can see, you can buy it with like you see, you can buy it with one of these markets. So if you use like the GXC or CoinX or Bit, just click on one of these, and after you click on it, after that they will redirect you to that exchange platform. So make sure to have an account on it and log into your account. Now after that, as you can see from here, you can now buy this token, and as you can see, select the market order and now enter how much you want to buy like this, and click on buy here to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the WARTHOG token. If you find WARTHOG token, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.